अस्सलाम वालेकुम मादाब। आज मैं आपको अपनी इंग्लिश की एक पोएम सुनाने जा रहा हूँ जिसका टाइटल है व्हाट लेफ्ट विद यू इज जस्ट यू। एज द टाइटल इंडिकेट्स, ये पोएम मैंने इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट पे लिखी है कि एंड में कोई बाकी नहीं रहता, इंसान अकेला रह जाता है। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सबको ये पोएम पसंद आएगी। इन द एंड व्हाट लेफ्ट विद यू इज जस्ट यू। The relations you build, the bondings you have, all will get flew. What left with you is just you. All the love and affection, the care and satisfaction are just a mere true. What left with you is just you. Your presence is just a matter of time. It will end like a depleting rhyme. You will never have any clue what left with you is just you. No one will be there to hold you tight when you are down in the hour of fright. You have to face the cruel view. What left with you is just you. This might end up very soon. You will bend up like a dome, as only you knew what you are through. What left with you is just you. In the end, what left with you is just you.